index-based tools for tracking the future. Get to know the S&P Kensho New Economy Indices. We are at the threshold of the fourth industrial revolution. Around the world, robotics, artificial intelligence, ubiquitous connectivity, automation, exponential processing power, and open-source practices are intersecting on a daily basis to reshape our reality, leaving many investors wondering, what's next? The market opportunity is immense, but the ecosystem supporting these new economies is extremely complex, with an interconnected web of dependencies, from supply chains to service providers, and rapidly shifting technologies and tactics, as disruptive companies look to stay at the forefront of their current industries or create new ones designed to support the future economy. New economies demand new investor tools. Enter the S&P Kensho New Economies, the first comprehensive family of investable indices harnessing vast data, advanced machine learning, and an adaptive classification framework to objectively and systematically identify and evaluate the companies, sectors, and industries powering the fourth industrial revolution. So, how do they work? The S&P Kensho New Economy Indices are constructed using an entirely systematic, rules-based methodology that harnesses machine-driven topic modeling to create a comprehensive map of the areas, or subsectors, driving exponential innovation. Kensho's proprietary natural language processing platform uses machine learning to identify the companies driving disruption based on SEC filings, capturing both pure-play names as well as companies in their supporting ecosystems. Proprietary algorithms determine the degree to which companies are involved in a given new economy, rewarding forward-looking strategic activities when selecting index constituents. Finally, a modified equal weighting strategy gives more index weight to core, or pure-play companies, and less weight to non-core, or ecosystem companies. So the indices focus more on the constituents driving the fourth industrial revolution, but still access those on its periphery. The family includes sector and subsector indices that investors may use individually or as portfolio building blocks, with 25 subsector indices ranging from cybersecurity to nanotechnology, 10 aggregate sector indices covering topics from clean power to final frontiers, and composite indices providing investors with the broadest exposure. The S&P Kensho New Economy Indices provide intelligent, data-driven access to the full spectrum of innovation engines transforming our world. Explore the latest research, data, and range of applications for the S&P Kensho New Economies, and learn how to capture what's next at the link below.